Hi guys, welcome back to the Cisco YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up your Webex Share from start to finish, which includes registering your device with the Cisco Cloud, connecting it to your television, and also sharing your content from your own devices, such as laptops and mobile phones. Stay tuned and we hope you enjoy the video. Step 1. Connect the USB-C cable provided to your Webex Share. This acts as the power supply for the device. Step 2. Connect the Webex Share to your monitor of choice. The package includes a cable management sticker that allows users to correctly position the device behind the display and to avoid mechanical stress on the HDMI port. Step 3. Once the device itself is in place, you can begin the installation on your PC or laptop. First, go to your Cisco Webex Control Hub. Navigate to the Places tab on the left. You'll want to click the green button that says New Place. You can name this place whatever you like and then press Next. Two options will appear. You should click Other Cisco Webex Device and again press Next. Two options for calling will appear. Please click the free calling option and then click Next. After a few moments, an activation code will appear. There will be a QR code and a long number code. You have a couple of different options here about how you would like to copy this code. You can even write it down on a piece of paper if this is easier. Step 4. Under the Wi-Fi options on your device, you should find one named Webex Share followed by some numbers. Please connect to this. When it asks for a password, input the numerical password that shows on the screen that the Webex Share is plugged into. Step 5. Once connected to the Webex Share, open up a new tab and insert the IP address that is shown on the screen that the share is connected to. This will then take you to the configuration page. Click the blue Setup button and find your network on the list. After you put in your network password and connect, you will be sent to the activation page. Enter the activation code that we generated earlier. After a few moments, you will be notified that the setup is done and your Webex Share is ready to use. You will now be able to begin sharing content to the screen. For demonstration purposes, we have linked up a basic PowerPoint from our laptop to the TV monitor. Just like other Cisco video devices, the Webex Share automatically wakes up when you walk into the room. It pairs with your Webex Teams or Webex Meetings app on your laptop or mobile device and greets you by name on the screen. A calendar overview of all daily meetings and occupancy in that room are also displayed for simplified scheduling. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all about the setup process for the Webex Share, don't hesitate to get in touch. You can leave a comment below or else contact us directly from our website, which will all be in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on our channels such as unboxings and tutorials on Cisco products. Thanks very much.